Nice crowd. What a good-looking group of people. Well, we have some
Historic court ruling against Trump. Bitcoin forecasts $120,000. The federal court's decision to overturn Trump's trade tariffs has created the right conditions for the growth of risky assets.
Greer here, Jameson Greer here today for the annual hearing.
Market experts are reporting a new wave of investment in Bitcoin and believe that the price could reach $120,000. In the past week, Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. have attracted more than $2.7 billion in capital, which is a sign of renewed investor confidence. According to one cryptocurrency market analyst, Bitcoin is preparing to climb towards $120,000, just after a U.S. federal court overturned a large part of the tariffs imposed by President Trump. Paul Handel, senior analyst at the exchange Swiftex, said, "The trade court's decision was a big and impactful event and will definitely accelerate Bitcoin's growth." The U.S. Court of International Trade reportedly blocked Trump's new tariffs on May 28, saying he had exceeded his legal authority. The court's decision casts doubt on trade talks. Handel believes the court's decision will have a knock-on effect on the price of Bitcoin, adding, "A new all-time high, ATH, seems almost certain and is not something that can be easily prevented." Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $111,970 on May 22, but has since fallen slightly and is currently trading around $108,500. Although the Trump administration has said it will appeal the court's ruling, Handel believes there has been a major shift in market sentiment regardless of the final outcome. He added, "In any case, this decision has dealt a major blow to trade talks, and we will likely see a significant shift in market conditions." On April 2nd, Trump used emergency powers to issue an executive order imposing so-called reciprocal tariffs on all countries at an initial rate of 10%. Read more: Tariff War: How do trade tensions affect financial markets? Trump's initial tariffs on goods imported from Canada, Mexico, and China, which began in February, have been cited as one of the main reasons for Bitcoin's price drop below $100,000. Handel believes, "The trade war has delayed Bitcoin's bullish trend, but it hasn't stopped it. The overall trend is still bullish." BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes also said, "Now is the time to buy everything. Round 2 has begun." Traders hope for bullish market. Another cryptocurrency analyst named Bitcoin Ranchi, in response to the news that the tariffs are illegal, wrote, "So Trump's tariffs were illegal? Does that mean we'll see green candles everywhere tomorrow?" Handel also noted that a huge amount of capital is flowing into Bitcoin from companies, Bitcoin spot ETFs, and retail investors. In the week ending May 23, Bitcoin spot ETFs in the U.S. recorded a total of $2.75 billion in capital inflows. He emphasized, "This court ruling has accelerated the flow of capital into risky assets in the U.S. and Asia." Handel concluded by saying that all the data shows that demand for Bitcoin at the spot level is high and that everyone in the options market is waiting for it to reach $120,000. On the other hand, Jeff Kendrick, global head of digital assets at Standard Chartered Bank, also announced in a note that Bitcoin will reach $120,000 by the first half of 2025, and it is possible to even reach $200,000. He sees the growth of stablecoins as the main driver of this move.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see new Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analysis.